Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make oregano oil that you can use for your skin, hair, or cooking. So to make this oil, you can choose to use the fresh or dry oregano leaves. So I'm going to make use of the dry leaves. So I've added some good amount of oregano on a bowl. You can make use of any oil of your choice like coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil. So I'll be adding the dried oregano into a bowl. I'm going to add enough oil to cover all the dried oregano. Then I'm going to stir so that it will mix properly. You can choose to infuse this oil by adding it into a jar and leave it to infuse for more days. To fasten this process, I'll be making use of the double boiler method. So I have a pot of hot water. I'm going to place the bowl into the pot of hot water and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. This will help to extract all the nutrients from the oregano into the oil. From time to time, you can stir and allow to boil. After about 20 minutes, you can notice that the oil has changed color. When the oil has cooled, you can decide to add it into a bowl and allow it to infuse further. But I'm going to strain it to get the oil. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this oregano oil. This oil can be used for your hair, skin, or for cooking. If you are making use of this oil for your skin, you can rub it to relieve pain, and you can also drink it or add it to your smoothie. It will help to treat yeast infection, and it can also help to improve your gut health. I'm going to filter it again, or you can skip doing this. When I'm done, you can store it in a container and use. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.